Thinking about IVF but scared because you don't know what actually happens? Most couples imagine IVF as mysterious, painful, and complicated. The truth is much simpler than you think. Before we continue, if you'd like honest, evidence-based fertility advice, scan the QR code on your screen and connect with us. IVF is not one big procedure. It's a carefully planned series of small steps, each designed to maximize your chances of having a healthy baby. Everything starts with understanding you. We review your medical history, fertility tests, ultrasound scans, hormone levels, and semen analysis. This helps us create a personalized treatment plan instead of using a one-size-fits-all approach. Next comes ovarian stimulation. For around 10 to 12 days, you'll take small hormone injections that encourage your ovaries to produce several eggs instead of just one. Most women are surprised by how easy these injections actually are. Once your eggs are ready, we perform egg collection. This is a short procedure under light sedation so you won't feel pain. Most patients go home within a few hours and return to normal activities very quickly. In the IVF laboratory, your eggs and sperm are brought together to create embryos. Our embryologists carefully monitor them for the next 5 days. Only the healthiest embryos are selected for transfer or freezing. The embryo transfer itself is probably the easiest part of the entire journey. It takes only a few minutes, usually doesn't require anesthesia, and feels similar to a routine gynecological examination. Then comes the hardest part, not physically but emotionally. The 2-week wait before the pregnancy blood test. During this time, remember that symptoms don't tell you whether IVF has worked. The only reliable answer comes from the beta-HCG blood test. One important thing to understand is that while doctors can control the quality of the process, nobody can guarantee the outcome of a single IVF cycle. That's why choosing a clinic that follows excellent protocols is far more important than believing unrealistic promises of guaranteed success. Please share your questions in the comments and I will be happy to answer them. I make a point to reply to all queries on my YouTube channel. If you'd like expert guidance or a personalized second opinion, scan the QR code on your screen or visit bit.ly/askdrmalpani. We're here to help you make informed fertility decisions. Please share your questions in the comments and I will be happy to answer them. I make a point to reply to all queries on my YouTube channel.